So hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Must Watch Tips. And if you are very new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, especially if you are a student, fresher or someone searching for the very first job. I'm saying this because today's tip can massively increase your chances of landing a job through LinkedIn, and especially when competition is sky high, right? Nowadays, you observe that when you search for a job, even if it is posted a day ago, as you can see here, this data analyst post is just posted one day ago, and you can see that many applicants has applied for this. And this can be due to the easy apply option, because it will be easy not only for the recruiter but for the applicants as well to apply as fast as one can. So here is the best example I can show you, that the job for data analysis, for example, is posted one day ago and it has over 100 applicants, and we don't know how much it is over 100. It could be 1,000, it could be 50, 100 and whatnot. Let us see another example. Here you can see that this data analysis job is for fresher. It is posted just 13 hours ago, and yet it has 100 applicants, more than 100 applicants. So yes, let's be honest with ourselves that even if the job was posted just yesterday, you will already see hundreds of applicants and it feels like a race, right? Yes. But I want you to be first in the race, and we can do this by a tip which I can give you right in this video, and that tip will be the game changer. So let's just don't waste the time here, and let me show you the tip directly. So I'm here in the LinkedIn homepage, and if you are searching for a job, as I said, you need to go to job section here, and let us say, for example, you are searching for a job of data scientist. So you can type data scientist over here in the dialog box, and there are multiple posts you can see over here. And what we are going to do is first just this kilometer. Let us just increase this kilometer to maximum what we have. And here, let's say we are searching the job of data scientist in Bangalore location. And what you need to do is just go to this date posted to past 24 hours, and you will show 155 results. And here you can see that many of the posts are also 18 hours ago, uh, 18 hours ago, something like that. So what we are going to do is, here you can see that the TPR is set to 86,400, and we'll change it to 3,600, which is an hour ago. And as soon as you hit enter, you will see the jobs which are posted an hour ago. So this is the data analyst post, which is posted 13 minutes ago, and you can see that only two people has applied over here. So once you applied over here, you will be the third person to get into the line of that particular job interview, right? Let us see this one. This is 1 hour ago. Only 95 people clicked here, right? If you can see this data scientist, this is 42 minutes ago, and this is only the 34 applicants you can see over here, that those have applied for this particular data scientist job. So go ahead and do these tricks into your LinkedIn profile, and you will end up having an options which are just posted within an hour. And this wonderful tip can help you to get hired in your first ever job. So if you found this tip helpful, hit that like and share button, and do subscribe to our channel as well, and follow me on LinkedIn for more such real world job search hacks. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a nice day.